Special list of contraction alphabetically from O to Q. Contraction कहाँ से? O से Q तक. So first contraction word is organization, which is starting from the word from the alphabet O. So first word is organization. So outline or contraction outline for organization is downward R, G, S with shun hook. Organization, NS and shun. Next is organize or organized. So outline for both the word is same, organize and organized. ठीक है, there are two words. Then downward R, G and N hook. Organizer, similar outline बनेगा almost. Downward R, G, okay, NS and upward R. ठीक है, N with S, N hook with S and upward R. Organizer. ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारा organization. NS, N hook with S, circle S and shun hook. Then organize or organized, N hook, and for organizer downward R, G, NS and upward R. Next alphabet is P. Parliamentary. So for parliamentary, PR, then L and upward R. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट peculiar और peculiarity, दो अलग अलग वर्ड हैं बट आउटलाइन और कह सकते हैं आप कॉन्ट्रैक्शन आउटलाइन सेम होगा दोनों वर्ड्स के लिए. सो ये होगा हमारा P एंड K. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट परफॉर्म और परफॉर्म्ड. सो P R and F, perform or performed. Performance, P R F N S, performance. Performer, P R F and MR, performer. Perpendicular, P upward R and P, perpendicular. Practicable, PR, K and BL. Practice, PR and K. Next is practice और practiced. ठीक है, ये practice है and इधर practice और practiced. So दोनों का same outline, PR and K. ठीक है, चाहे practice आए या practice आए और practiced आए, similar outline बनेगा PR with K. Next is prejudiced, prejudicial or prejudicially. Here is 4 words. First is prejudice, prejudiced, prejudicial और prejudicially. ठीक है, 4 words का same outline. So PR and half length of J. See, इतना बड़ा word का एक बहुत ही small outline with the help of and with the using of the contraction method हमारा आउटलाइन बहुत ही शॉर्टन हो गया है, ठीक है। सो यू कैन राइट these longer word in very short. Next is preliminary. So PR, then L and M. Preliminary. Probable, probably, probability. Here is 3 words and the outline is PR and B. Okay, probable, probably or probability. Next is proficient, proficiently, proficiency. So outline PR with F hook and upward SH. Proportion, proportionate. Here is 2 words, PR, P. ठीक है, proportion and proportionate. Proportionate. Proportionate, proportionately. Here is also 2 words and the outline is PR with P and upward R. Here is proportion or proportionate. Here is proportionate or proportionately. Okay, next, prospectus. PR, S, K and S. Half length of K and S. Prospectus. Next is public. P and B. Public. Publication. P, B and shun. Publish or published. 2 words, but the contraction outline is same for both the words. P and B. ठीक है, similar to the public. Next is publisher. P, B and SHR. Next is alphabet Q. And for alphabet Q, here is only one contraction word, which is questionable or questionably. The outline is question SB. ठीक है, questionable or questionably. So here we completed the another list of contraction which is starting from the from O to Q. I hope you all are practicing of all the list of contraction. Do practice of this one also, and rest of the words of contraction we will do in our in coming classes.